As an education leader, you understand that responding to the voices of your school community is vital for nurturing a positive learning environment. Gathering meaningful insights isn't just important, it's essential for guiding effective decisions and driving lasting change. Do you currently have school climate data you fully trust to spot opportunities, monitor trends, and confidently navigate a path forward? Many leaders turn to do-it-yourself survey tools to capture these insights. While this option may seem cost-effective, the real costs add up quickly. Assigning staff to learn new tools, designing surveys by committee, analyzing data, building reports, and managing day-to-day survey rollout, all these tasks divert your team from their focus. On top of that, without well-designed and validated surveys, you might end up with data that's difficult to interpret, hard to act on, or even misleading. This can make it challenging to make informed decisions that truly benefit your schools. Imagine a solution that lightens the load on your team, allowing them to focus on what truly matters. Introducing OurSCHOOL, a comprehensive platform offering a full suite of valid and reliable measures backed by national and provincial benchmarks. With OurSCHOOL, you'll receive expert support and advice at every step, from survey planning to data interpretation, reducing the burden on your team. We handle the complexities so you can concentrate on what you do best, leading your schools toward meaningful improvements. Join thousands of schools across Canada that have transformed their environment with insights from OurSCHOOL. Save time, meet compliance standards effortlessly, and dedicate your energy to what matters most, empowering student success.